Hello again, class. Are you ready to do a new Pete the Cat book? Did you like the last one? Do you remember what it was about? Can you guess? It was about bedtime and going to bed. Okay, let's see what this next book is about. Here we go. The next book is called Pete the Cat, The Big Win. We're going to talk about the short I sound. Iguana. Okay, here we go. First, let's do our words. These all have the short I sound in them. The first word, ready to repeat after me? The first word is big. And look, you can see b-i-g. It has the I sound in it. All these words have I. Ready? Here's the next one. It. Swings. Yippee! Hit. Misses. Third. In. Mitt. Will. Is. Pitch. Wins. Okay, here we go. This story is all about the game baseball. Okay, Pete the Cat is at bat. This is the bat. Will he hit the ball? Pete swings. He misses. Strike one. What is that? If you guessed ball, you're right. It's the ball. This is the bat. This is the ball. Here comes a pitch. Pete swings. He misses. Strike two. Nuts. Pete swings a third time. Strike three. Pete is not sad. He did his best. Good job, Pete. Pete is in the field. Here comes a ball. Will Pete catch it? It hits his mitt. Yippee! Pete wins the big game. Good job, Pete the Cat. You caught the ball. The end. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye, class.